Hey, it's Brittany Inns, your Houston real estate agent, and I am proud to show you a Castlerock completed home today. It is sold already, but it is ready to go for its new owner. It's not for sale, unfortunately, but I wanted to take an opportunity to show you what Castlerock does and what a Castlerock home fully finished looks like. There's no furniture or anything. It's ready for the new owners to kind of make it how they want, but it is ready to go and the new owners are moving in pretty shortly. One of the things I would like about Castlerock is you still get quality for a decent price. And so I think hopefully with this video, you'll be able to see that and the finishes that are used and just how Castlerock operates when it comes to being ready for buyers. I think they do a good job of just making sure it's actually fully ready to go before the buyer moves in. Some builders are better at that than others, in my opinion, but I think hopefully you'll like what you see here, and it's a good opportunity to just see what a home looks like when a builder is fully finished with what they need to do and you are closing on your house. So if you are ready, let's go take a look at it. All right, so if you were with us for the last video, we are in the same community, Goose Creek Landing in Baytown, Texas. This is the Creede fully finished floor plan. Enjoy.